Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are here to talk about how to rebuild your warm market. So welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Michael.
And I am Miranda, and we are the Danish Power Couple. We help struggling network marketers find their power in their passion, using that as a foundation to build their business.
Yeah.
So welcome to our YouTube channel. Everything that we teach on here is something that we have done ourselves and do on a daily basis. We walk the walk, we talk the talk, and our biggest mission is to change the industry of network marketing and help you grow your business. So today's topic is how to rebuild your warm market. So we've been in the industry for 15 years, and 12 of those years we used our warm market like in over and over again, and that ended up like being a network that definitely don't want to hear anything more about products or business opportunity, and we had to figure out how to rebuild a warm market. When we got to learn everything about attraction marketing, we found the biggest secret of them all, how the bigger or the top earners out there are actually building the network marketing business, and that is finding and building relationships with a new warm market. So today's topic is all about how you can start rebuilding your warm market. Maybe you've used all your warm market, all your network, your parents, your sister, your aunt, your uncle, everybody that's around you, because that's what we do when we enter into network marketing. But if we don't do it the right way, or we do it over and over again, at some point they are sick and tired of listening to us talking about a new product or talking about a promotion every time we meet with them. And we think one of the biggest mistakes in this industry that nobody teaches us how to really network and build a huge network of people that know, like, and trust us. So that is what we want to teach you today, because if you don't have a network, if you don't know how to network, you will not be able to build a huge network marketing business. You cannot cope with only have a few people that know, like, and trust you, and the 100 persons list. If you don't have 100 person that know, like, and trust you, you should not even write that list. So building a network is all about having people referring back to you. It's not about building a network that you can show your products to. So what do we mean about that? That means that all you have to do on a daily basis is build new relationships with new people. And here, the key word here is relationship. Because if you think, oh, so I just have to reach out to new people every single day and show them my product, that is not what we are talking about. If that's your approach, you will end up with no warm market at all. And you want to build new warm market on a daily basis. And a warm market is people that know, like, and trust you. So in order for you to have a huge network of people that know, like, and trust you, you need to go out and build relationships with new people. And who are those people, honey?
Well, I want to go back to what you just said and agree with you that not only do we go through our warm market, but we end up pushing them away. Why is that? It is because we are told to go out there and recruit. We are told to rank up in our business. We are told to go out there and talk to everybody with a pulse. Just as long as you can invite people to an event, you can sell them a product, a lipstick, a cream, whatever you have, and it will end up pushing people away from you. You will end up feeling alone and confused about what the hell happened since you joined this amazing industry of network marketing. Our mission here is to set things right and show you exactly what kind of steps you need to take, and that goes for all our YouTube channel. Okay, so it's full of valuable content for you to start taking the steps needed to build your business, not to build your uplines business, not to build your network marketing's business, but to build your brand, to build your business. Okay, so the people that you definitely want to go out there and connect with are people that are just like you. So you might be thinking right now, but Mike, who are people just like me and where do I find them? That is exactly the secret sauce for you to go out there and take everything to the next level. If you do not know exactly who you are, what you stand for, and what you are passionate about, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We know exactly how to help you through the passion test. This is absolutely for free. It will align you with your passions. Because when you have your passions in check and you go out there and you inspire and you motivate and you educate people within your new warm market, when you do that within your passion, you can be sure that you will start attracting people that has the same passion as you or inspired by the passion you have. Now you are suddenly connecting with people that are just like you. You don't want to sign everybody into your business. You might already have a team, but you also know that most of them are probably not doing what you were expecting them to do. And a lot of networkers out there come to us and say, but I have a team, I have 50 people in my team, I have 150 people in my team, but only 2 people are doing something. How do I re-spark the people just sitting in their couch doing nothing? Do not re-spark them. The reason why they're not doing anything, the reason why you don't hear from them, the reason why they do not answer you back on your calls or your messages are because they're not the right people for your business. So you definitely want to go out there and qualify the people that you want to work with. And the best way for you to do that is to align yourself with your passion. You will attract people that are just like you. And guess what? There is nothing more easy and more fulfilling to connect with somebody that has the same interest, the same personality, the same outlook on life, whatever it might be. But the things that you have in common will definitely take your relationship to levels you have never imagined you could with total strangers, okay? So to answer your question, honey, the people you want to connect with are people that are just like you. For you to know exactly who these people are, you need to know who you are. And for you to know who you are, you definitely want to consider going through the passion test. My amazing wife is a passion test facilitator. We are more than happy and honored to align you with your top 5 passions. We have done so for hundreds and hundreds of networkers, and it's definitely the thing that changed everything around for them.
Yes, so just to get back to the subject of rebuilding your warm market, you might sit there and think, but when will I sell? When will I build my team if all I'm doing is building relationships? You know what? If you don't have a network right now, you cannot even consider selling or signing people into your business. For you to sign people into your business, for you to sell, you need to have this network, because in the end, what you want is people either referring back to you, being a new business partner, or buying your product as a customer. But if you are only thinking about having people signing in or customers, you already lost, because what you actually want the most of is people that refer people back to you. And that the only way to do that, to have a lot of them, is to build massive relationships, build massive value on your Facebook profile where people can come and have fun, be be motivated, you inspire them and so on. And for them to begin and know, like, and trust you and answer you when you ask them something. And at some point, some people will say, yes, I need what you have, or can I hear more of what you do? You are always so inspiring to talk to. That is the way you start getting people interested in what you have. But that is a whole nother story. We do have a training inside our group about that. So if you want to be a part of our free group, the link is below. In here, we teach all of these skills. But today it's all about your warm market, because if you see this video, I think you might are struggling a little bit with having people to talk to. And that is the number one problem for network marketers, that they lack people to talk to. But the view on it is that they lack people to show their product to. But before you can do that, you need to build relationships and have people to talk to, just to build those relationships. Why would you ever build a business or share a product with a stranger? That is where the warm market comes in. You need to build relationships so they're not strangers anymore. And you do that through your messenger, through your profile, and if you have a community group inside Facebook. So that is a lot of info, but your focus should be to build relationships every single day with new people until they are not a stranger anymore. That is the first step of building your warm market. And I don't think we will go deeper into that today, because that is your focus. You cannot focus on anything else before you learn the skill of really building relationships and network with people.
Before you do that, make sure to push the notifications, do whatever you need to do to not miss out on future videos. We are here to serve you. We are here to change your life. Please get your guards down. Use this YouTube channel as a resource for you to learn, to grow. And I promise you that we will have a lot of fun together. Okay, so thank you for being here. We love and appreciate you. Have lots of fun, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need any help or you have any questions. Okay, bye.